And this last one is kind of cool. Okay, let's check it out first. So in our previous videos we had a C out. Now we have a C in. We're bringing a number into the program. C out, we were taking numbers and throwing them out of the program. Now we're going to grab a number and bring it into the program. So you say, please enter a number. The user will enter a number. You grab the number with CIN and store it here, and then we can print it out here. So let's run it and then we'll go over it again. We'll compile it and then we'll run it. So it says here, please enter a number. We'll enter 7. Hit enter, and it says you entered a 7. You entered a 7. Okay, so it's all inside main. We're using IO stream. That's for C out and C in. We're creating one integer named number, instead of naming them A, B, C. And then we say, please enter a number. And then we have colon, a space. That's how we get this guy here. Please enter a number, colon, and a space. It just makes it look cleaner. You kind of fancy things up. You enter a number, hit enter, and then when you hit enter, CIN grabs the number and stores it here. Stores it in number here. Now, what's another important thing is CIN stop the program. If we run this again, it says please enter a number. It's waiting here, but it stopped on CIN. CIN is waiting for you to do something. It just kind of stopped the running application, and it's waiting on CIN. You enter a number, hit enter, CIN grabs the number, stores 8 inside number, and then prints it out. And then here, this is a fancy way to get a new line. Like in the earlier videos we did \n. That stuff, \n for a new line. Well, this end L, that's ENDL. L like Larry, ENDL, end L. That's just a more modern way to get a new line into a program. This \n, that's more of an older style, where this end L is more of a newer style. There's no right or wrong, personal preference. Something that would be good to add here is please enter a number, then press enter, because the user running your program may not know what to do. So we'll compile it to get the changes. Run it. So now we get please enter a number, then press enter. Say please press the enter key. Okay, so CIN's kind of tricky, but just start to experiment with it. If we wanted to modify this, we could say go num1, num2, please enter a number, please enter a number, okay, so now we have places to store two numbers. Please enter num1, num2. So here, please enter one number, get it stored here. Please enter another number, store it here. Then you entered num1, num2. Let's see, let's we'll put it in a new line there. Then we'll need a space here. So you entered colon space. It'll print the number, and then a space, and then your second space, or your second number. So we could go and put a space on both sides, and here we could go print a period to the screen. So here, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We have to save it to get the changes. Then we'll run it. Please enter a number, then press enter. Please enter a number, then press enter. You entered 2 and 3. Dot. See here it says you entered colon space. You entered colon space 2, printed 2, and a space on both sides. Space there, space there. Then it printed the 3. That was this. And then it put a period at the end of the line. Then it did another carriage return here. It put in another new line here. Okay. So, and then we have a lab 2 here. So it's just a continuation of Lab 1. We're just going to add more to our calculator program. So add code to Lab 1 for the addition. Ask the user to enter in two numbers. Use CIN to get the numbers from the user. Add the two numbers together and display the total with Cout. Okay, so we haven't gotten to the point yet where we could ask what we want them to do here. We'll get to that stuff real soon. But for now, just do something similar to what we just did in this video. But just try to run through it yourself. And getting to the point where we can say, do you want to add, subtract, multiply? That might be kind of tricky right now, but we'll get to that type of thing soon. Okay? Good enough. See ya. Bye.